Good morning, guys. This is the Supercars Kid, and this is another episode. It's not the best episode. That's why I don't have Jack with me. Yesterday, we were in a rally. It's the Beverly Hills rally, and during that rally, we were we were going in group of cars and everything, and I was putting some gas and then catching up with some friends. Then we caught up with our guys, Amir from the Car Biz and David from Blue Beauties, as you guys know from the title. So I finished gas station filling, went behind them about 6-7 cars. As we were going to the canyon, all the cars suddenly stopped. There was no stoplights, there's nothing. The first thing that came to my mind there is somebody crashed. First thing I know that the car started moving a little bit, and then I see what I didn't want to see. David and Raymond from DDE crashed their Lambo head on with another Toyota. It's not the best scene to see, but this is what happened. I didn't get my camera out. I tried to be respectful. I tried to help everybody. That's why I didn't get my camera, my professional camera out to shoot. And then I used my phone to capture. I wasn't planning to make that video actually, but I got my phone out and I took some videos with my phone. You're about to see this right now. After we're done, I checked on Raymond. I went to the hospital. I made sure he's okay. I checked with Damon from DDE that he's okay and everything is fine. I checked on David as well. Made sure that everything is fine. The car is probably totaled, but David is good. He's in shock. He doesn't believe what happened. Raymond has probably something in his shoulder or his neck or something like that, but he's fine. He's fine. I spoke to him. I was with him the whole time, and he's gonna be okay. He's in the hospital, but he's gonna be okay. He probably got out from the hospital yesterday, but he should be fine. Bottom line from this video is please be careful, guys. Please be careful. The only reason I'm doing this is because we loved this car so much. My son loved this car so much. That Lamborghini Huracan, the Blue Beauties one, is so beautiful. Such a beautiful car. And it happened. I don't know whose fault and what's the mistake or what's happened here, but I'm sure that the car didn't do that by itself. I'm sure that something happened. Maybe it's the other person's mistake. Maybe it's David's mistake. However, it's a mistake. So just make sure you watch the roads. We ride super fast cars. We drive them sometimes fast. Not sometimes, a lot of the times. But we need to be careful. This is what we need to do. Alright, guys. I'll leave you with some footage of what I shot from my phone. Sorry about the quality. I'll leave you with some footage, and please stay safe. We make videos all the time. We enjoy our cars all the time, but make sure that you stay safe. And check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Alright? Catch you guys later.
all right. A little shaken up, but I'm okay.